Hello. Yeah, I think this is working. Let's see. It was very loud, sorry. I think you can hear me well right now. Tiago, how are you, Tiago? Welcome back. Today I want to explain you how the language manager works because some of you have had a few issues with that. So discover it right now and I will help you out. Let's just wait about 3 more minutes and we can get this started. Yeah, nice. Are you having some issues with the platform, Tiago, so far, or everything is cool? What? Please let me know, okay? Just wait 3 more minutes. Okay. So I think you're looking at all of our the university classes. You have been in a lot of them, so you must know like everything now. What is your launch date? Your estimated launch date, Tiago? Sorry about that sound in the background. My neighbors have parties very often. Okay, great, Tiago. You're in the right place. The 10th, amazing. So 11 days. Have you already submitted the apps or you are just starting with the website, only website for now? What is the deal? Yeah, August 10th. Yeah. 30 more seconds, okay? I'm getting... Okay, great. It seems that you have everything taken care of, so I believe you can make it for launch. We have already had a class on launching your project. I recommend you to take a look at it. Okay, guys, let's get this started. Well, as always, my name is Mauricio. I'm part of the Mexico team here at Ordering. And today we're going to talk about language manager, as you can see in the title. This is because a few of you have had a little issues when changing one language, and then you have a multi-language installation, software. Well, your business is multi-language, so you have English and then you have French, or you have English and you have Albanian, or any two languages, any combination that you use. I will explain you how you have to change it, and also I will show you how to add a new variable in your website, and also how to see the changes right away instead of waiting for the browsers to clear cache and stuff like that. Okay, I will show you everything I know. If you have any questions, do not forget to type in the chat. I'll be happy to answer you. Remember, if the questions are non-related to today's topic, I will have to leave that one at the end. Okay, enjoy. Remember that you have the chat right there in the YouTube channel, so you can write all of your questions right away. Let's get this started. First, how to get, or what is the language manager? Okay, as you can see in your website, you have a lot of texts. Okay, a lot of text everywhere, here and here in the top and the footer, everywhere. Okay, all those texts can be changed. It's the same for the apps. Okay, you can change the text that you have in the apps, and you can change the text that you have in the website. Right now I'm going to show you how to change a few texts here in the home page of my website. I have to log in as a super admin. This is my installation, so I just logged in. Now what I want to change is I want to change the subtitle, and I want to change the title. Okay, what we are going to do is go admin area, then click more, then language manager, then here you have two filters. This filter is for the variables, the keys, the little code that goes in your files when you are developing something. This means that in your home page file you will see a few of these variables. Okay, the easiest way to change any variable that you have is clicking the second filter on the right, and then look for the text that you want to change. This time we are going to change the title. As you can see, it also supports emojis, so you can add something very cool. Let's add now everything for your, no, let's try all ready for your parties. And then we're going to put a few party emojis here. Let's put that, and then let's add some food, and then let's add some champagne, some beers, and something like that. And also let's add, do we have clowns here? Clowns, something like that. Okay, with this we have already changed. As you can see here at the bottom, it says saved whenever I do any change, for example like that. Okay, every time this says saved, the changes are already made in the front end. Okay, now what we want to change also is the subtitle of my website, Ordering University. Get all your favorite business delivered. As you can see, this hasn't changed. I will show you why in just a second. What was it? Get all your. Okay. We provide from clowns, beer to fireworks and food. something like that, and then something like this. Okay, as you can see, I'm creating some kind of party platform. It just occurred to me because of the neighbors. So here you can't see the changes yet. Why? This is because the browsers save cache, which means the images and the text and everything gets saved for the customers to load your website faster. How to just avoid this for you in the meantime you want to see the changes? I will close all my incognito windows, and then I will open them again. Incognito windows have always the cache always cleaned. Okay, that is why it's better for you to test this way. As you can see, these things are already changed. We provide from clouds, blah blah, blah, etc. So as you see, this already here. It looks very cool. Then if I want to change something here, I can. I just have to look for the text as a super admin in my language manager tool, and then change it. Now it's the same for every text that you have in your platform. For example, if we want to change something, let's see, reviews. No, well, something different. Reviews of no. Your order. Let's change this to something more suitable to the thing we're creating right now. Your order. When you get a lot of this, you'll have to look for the one that you're looking for. For example, mobile. It says mobile front here because it's for mobile. Your order B2. This one looks very like most suitable to the thing we want to change. So what we're going to do is we're going to change both. We're going to change this to your party elements. Okay, then I will change the other one that we saw. Your order here, your party elements, to the same, to avoid one saying something in the mobile and then something else in the website. Okay, we are going to change those two. I'm going to go in incognito window again, and let's see if those changes worked, because if it doesn't, we have to take a deeper look at each of the variables that we are using until we get it done. Yeah, it gets changed. And also, well, you can add the emojis and everything. This is a way that you can change any website, sorry, any word, any sentence that you have. Sometimes some of the elements that the website uses have multiple variables, so you will have to change the full text in 2 variables. So you have to take a look at every aspect. Okay, you have to make sure you have everything in order. One more thing, I'm going to explain you one more important thing that our support agents have been asking me about. How to change multi-language. If you have multi-language, I will show you how this works. If you have multi-language, you can select which languages you want to use here in language settings, and then you enable the ones you want to show for your customers. Okay, I'm going to show these, and then French, and then Italian. Okay, just those. These are Spanish in different like variants, and then we have German, French, and Italian. Here you set up the language that is going to show by default to your customers. In this situation, is going to be English. Okay, now I'm going to refresh this. going to, let me see if I clear cache this way, the changes might show. I'm not sure if I have to open a new incognito. Let's see. Yeah, let's try another incognito window. Oh, this is the demo. No, ordering demo. No. Okay, as you can see, here are the languages that we just added. If we click here, a few things are going to change. As you can see, we don't have the cool title that we have on English. Why? So the software already made a few translations, well, all the translations on any language, but using Google Translate. If you need to change, well, you will need to change a few words because Google Translate is not the best. So as you can see here in French, we have all translated, but the real speakers of French will understand that things change. You know, it's just the way it is. To change those the language, the new languages that you have on the new language, the words that you have on the new language, you will have to look for the text in that language. I think it was vous savez. Let me look for it. Ordering university. New afternoon. Okay, as you can see here, we have the new the home welcome title, but in French. Now, if we want to put this in French, let's put, I don't know French, so what I will do is click in Translate, Google Translate, just to what was he saying? What was he saying in English? Ready for your parties. Ready for your. I mean, you will know how to write it in your language, you know, but I don't. So this is what we have to do. French. Prêt to be something. It says something here. Okay, now what we're going to do is paste it here and then add the same elements, something like that, and then this, and then this, and then some fireworks. Okay, and if we go in our home page, I will open an incognito to clear cache sooner. Ordering university, like this. Then, as you can see, this changed. This is changed in French, and this is changed. Oh, I changed it in English. I didn't change something. Let me show you what I did wrong. It was, of course, part of the plan. I will show you. When you are using multi-language, you have to make sure, not like me, about the changes that you have to make. Let's see. This is in English, as you can see right now, so I will change that one back. Ready for your parties. So this is in English, and then I have to go here, click French. The page will reload, and I will put home title, home screen. What was the home? It was nouns. This one, home welcome title. So I have to change this here in French. Also, you might notice there are a few things that are not changed. It's because the language does not change. Well, Google Translate is telling us that. So now that we have changed that in both languages, let's see if it works. Ordering university. Default is English, so we have it in English, and then if we go in French, that's it. Okay, this worked. One more important thing. If we don't have the language that you want to put in your platform, in your business, we have to add it. So for that, you create a ticket, we add the language with Google Translate, and then you change the few words that are wrong. Okay. Also, one issue that most of our customer have, when you have multi-language, sometimes you start editing English instead of changing your language, just like I did, but with all the words of the website. So that is not the best way to do. What you will have to do is activate the new language that you want to change. For example, let's select another one, Spanish, because I know this one. Home, welcome. What was the thing? Welcome. Here we have it here. Remember, you have to change things always in the language that you are changing things to at that moment. Don't do it like me, because I changed something in the English language when I was trying to put something in French. Okay, that way you will come up with a lot of weird combination of your websites. Now, if you want another cool thing, if you want to create something new, like to add something else to your website, you have to go in your builder. Well, you have to log in your builder. Then you will have to open the product that you want to change at the moment. Then go in Developers Tool. Right now I'm going to add something else in my homepage content, homepage. Let me see, I don't remember which one of these is the one I'm looking for. So I will open both codes. This is something more advanced if you want. If you don't want to do it, don't worry about it. What I'm going to do is add something below the subtitle that we have. And as you can see here, we have the variable that we are changing. If I look for this in our language manager, this will show. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new key. Let me put it in English. 1 second. This will reload. So now I'm going to add a new key saying subtitle number 2, and then I'm going to put here, yes, we have everything. Okay, something like that. And then I'm going to put some clapping, and then okay, I had exploding. So what I have to do now is add this new variable. It is going to be added here, as you can see, and then I have to call this new key that we created. So I'm going to go in the code, and here I'm going to paste the new variable that I just created everywhere I see the last one I had. Okay, like this. I think this is it. Okay, and then I'm going to make this a little bit smaller with H4. I mean, you developers know how to do things like more advanced with the style and CSS and everything. This is very straightforward, a way that I understand, and it's the easier way for me to do quick changes. So here I'm going to upload the file like this. Open. This will get added. Then I have to go in update here. If you have questions, do not forget to put them in the chat. Okay. Now I will go in build. I won't upgrade the version because I will clear cache right away. Okay. and then update the website. This is loading. Just let it load for a while. It takes 1 minute or two most of the times. Can you hear my neighbors? They have a good party, apparently. Sorry about it, by the way. There's not much I can do with them. And the sound may be compromised if I turn this lower. Okay. This is built. I will open a new incognito window. Like that. That sounds fine, yeah. The body sounds fine. It's body. As you can see, well, all you have to do is do more like stylish and everything. As you can see, we have added this new text here. It's just a little bit smaller. And well, that's everything you have to know regarding the Language Manager and how to edit everything in your website regarding languages. Some emojis, maybe something fresh and new to your website. Let me know what you think. Now is your time for Q&A, and I'll be happy to answer everything. If I missed something, let me know. I didn't think I did. I don't think. Maybe. It's the same for your apps, though. If you do the changes here, your apps will be reflecting these changes also. However, you have to find the in the Language Manager those keys that said mobile, something like that. Okay. Let me know. Let's jump into Q&A. Q&A. Do you have any questions, guys? This is a very cool lesson that I wanted to show you. Let me know. Now is the time. I will give you a couple of minutes. If we don't have any questions, I will just let you explore this tool. It is new. It has been always there. So, what are we thinking? I hope you enjoyed the body with the neighbors. Very cool. Tiago or Rob, what are we thinking, guys? Do you have any questions? Do you want just to try it out? I think Rob already knows all of this. He's very experienced in ordering, but yeah, let me know, please. Remember, you have the article of this in the description, and you also have this video class uploaded in the YouTube channel, so you can watch it anytime, anywhere, any place, everything. Okay, all good, Rob, Tiago. That'll be it for today's lesson. You let me know. Apparently, there are only 2 people, which is you guys, Tiago and Rob. I don't know. Maybe YouTube is lying to me. Maybe we have thousands hearing. I don't know. Sometimes it gets messed up. No questions, guys? No questions so far? Very straightforward lesson. Language Manager, very important tool to be used and very ready to be used. Nope, I think there are no questions. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this class. I will be seeing you tomorrow. Maybe Q&A over what's happening in over the week with the community. So, if you have any questions that support or sales hasn't answered you, make sure to come here in Northern University. I make sure to answer all of them. And if I can't answer any of them, I'll make sure to give you an answer when I do a little research with the team. Okay, have a great day. Thank you for being here, Rob, Thiago, and anyone else who was. Have a great day. Be safe. It is Thursday, so we are almost in the weekend. Have a great day. Be safe. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Have a good day. Bye.